Toyota Yaris. The problem of this car is a long start. So just check this. This is a long start problem. This is Toyota Yaris. I checked this map sensor. The map sensor is good. So I decide to change the fuel filter located at the back. I removed the fuel pump, guys. And this is the fuel pump. Need to replace the fuel filter. And here's the new one, guys. It's an original, made from Toyota Lexus. This is the new water fuel pump. So guys, after I put a new fuel pump, let's install the car. Yes, the fuel tank. So guys, I finished install the fuel pump, and now let's start the car. Good. That's a Toyota Yaris.